Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install Google Keyboard, Gboard on Samsung phones. So here is my Samsung Galaxy A45 and if you want to enable the Google Keyboard, first you need to install it. For that just go to Play Store and here in the search bar just type Gboard, here there is. And here is the app, just tap install, wait for a few seconds. And now it's over and tap open. And first you need to enable in settings the Gboard, just tap here. And here I have Gboard. Tap here to enable, and now let's read. This input method may be able to collect all the text you type, including personal data like password and credit card numbers. It comes from the app Gboard. Use this input method. I will tap OK, and now go back. And the step 2, select Gboard as your default input method. Just tap here. And now the default keyboard is Samsung keyboard, and I will select Gboard, and then all is set. Just tap done, and that's all. Now here I have some settings for the Gboard. First I have the languages, and from here you can add or delete some languages. Choose whatever you want. And here are the preferences, and from here you can enable or disable some features like one-hand mode, sound on keyboards, haptic feedback on key press, and also we have another features. Okay, also we have here the theme, and you can choose your favorite theme. I will choose, for example, on green, and then just tap apply and go back. And also we have text corrections. This is a very useful feature. You can enable or disable show suggestion strip, next word suggestions, and block offensive words, and also we have another features here. Okay, and now I will exit, and I will go to messages, and I will tap here to write a message, and this is the Google Keyboard, the Gboard, and it looks very nice. And also if you want to change this keyboard, it is very easy. Here in the left corner we have a little keyboard, and if you want to go back to Samsung keyboard, just tap here. Now it's selected Gboard on English, but here we have Samsung keyboard. Just tap on it, and now I have the Samsung keyboard here. To change it back, also tap again on the little keyboard and choose Gboard, and we are back to the Google keyboard. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.